right. Welcome to Cooking with Chemistry 109 Pizza. I have here just some pizzas from Aldi, some frozen pizzas. And they're about $7.50 for 3. And they used to come with a really nice bocconcini on them, but I just found out on the weekend when I had Sabe over and Viv that they've changed what they put on the pizza. And it's now sort of a shredded something. So I've got a little taste test sample in the oven, and I've also scraped off the cheese, and then I've taken that and put it into the oven with a bit of chopped up bocconcini. This here is the bocconcini. Bocconcini is the Italian word for mozzarella, and it's the white balls cheese. Cool. So let's make another pizza. All right, so cut off the plastic. Let's go something different. Let's go spicy. Let's try something on the other side. Nice. You're hungry, are you? Okay. Yes, Felina. You want this, don't you? Chicken. Okay, I'm bringing it to you. I'm bringing it to you. Cool. Nice. All right, let's try that. So that's the normal one, and that's the bocconcini. It's pretty average. Let's try the bocconcini without the Aldi stuff on it. Nicer. But they're both nice. All right. It's not as good as it was, but it is still nice. It definitely doesn't have that horrible rubber processed rubber flavor. Thankfully, it doesn't have that. Okay, so all right, so I've got a meat one. Let's go for a salt and pepper squid. Now, I think the pizza's cooking too fast for the tenderloins. Actually, this chicken breast is not necessary because I got fresh chicken. Because that one's frozen. All right, let's go another pizza. This one is going to be squid, which is this salt and pepper squid. But I'm curious as to whether. Yeah, no, it's cool. It's cool. I can cook that. It's soft. Very nice. That'll be fine. Okay, and let's go for the extra sharp barrel on the squid. The bocconcini is a bit more pieces, whereas this I'd rather a nice shred over it. Cool. That's ready to go in. That's probably ready to come out. Yes, yes it is. I need one more plate. This one. Mm. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm wondering how I can pack it. Mm. Cool. Very nice. Okay. Alrighty. That'll do for onions. Some mushrooms. Chicken. Okay. Spread the onions around. Cool. Bocconcini. I prefer not to put the onion flavor into the bocconcini. There's the well, this is uncooked stuff, so it should be alright. Bocconcini. One more. Nice. Okay. That's good. Yeah, that'll be quite tasty. So this one is Spanish onions, Swiss brown mushrooms, button white mushrooms, Cole's barbecue chicken breast, which is essentially just chicken breast, like a whole chicken stuffed with some like floury bread stuff, and then just stuck in the oven. That's pretty much what it is. It says seasoned, so they must put a bit of seasoning on the outside. Vigilante. Hey, check DMs when you're not busy. No problems. I will. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. All right. How's this one going? Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. Mate, Cole's chicken is making my mouth water. Yeah, there's a whole Cole's chicken here. It's just like all I did was take out one handful of chicken breast, chop it up, put it in Felina's bowl. she is spoiled. And then one more handful, and then chop, 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 and pull apart and put it on the pizza. If Woolworths burns down, what's left? Coles. Ah. Yep. Do you know what type of queue I was in at Coles? A chicken barbecue. I said that on 7 News, by the way. I feel bad. Nah, it's a good one. You're where I heard the joke from in the first place. That's epic. So my favorite pizza is cheese and mushrooms, which is what this one is. Felina. Oh. Look, look, it's mushrooms. It's your favorite thing. It's your favorite thing. Oh, look, it's probably treats. It's like, nah, it's mushrooms. I don't want mushrooms. Hello. I know what you do want, though, and I do have it. I bought treats for her. I bought a bag of chicken treats, but I can't find it. Could be in the car. What's that? What did you knock over? This is my pizza. Lena. Lena. Up there. Nah, you shouldn't feel bad, Vidge. It's a good joke. I think it's awesome. I think it's a good one. Well, the pizzas seem all good, except for a bit of shredded on that pizza. That's about it. I mean, making pizza is pretty easy. Chuck a couple of things on the pizza, throw it in. I think if you make your own base fresh, um, it becomes all the work. However, like manufacturing produces things in large scale quantity for the general public, and there are good people working at places, and they make really good things because it's what they would want. And by doing that, they dominate the market because they make something that everyone wants to eat. Um, but they buy in bulk, they sell in bulk, so the profit is made through quantity of sales. And you can't compete against that buying local flour from the local place because you can't even get the flour that potentially they would use to make these pizza bases because the guys making the flour want to sell for the highest price and have repetitive business, right? So one of the girls I knew, she did her PhD in chemistry on wheat in Australia. And she was like, "Hey, I've got something for you." I was like, "What's that?" She's like, "Oh, it's a bag of wheat." I'm like, "What, like flour?" She's like, "Yeah, a bag of flour." I'm like, "Okay." And I was like, and like, she's just like, "Don't worry about it. Just use it to cook. It's like the premium grade, and pretty much you can't buy it from the general public shops." I was like, oh really? And then she's like, yeah, just make stuff with it. You'll like it. I made stuff with it, and I was like, oh wow, delicious. And then I ran out because she only gave me like 1.5 kilos, but it was delicious. I I sent you 7 news on Messenger. My voice is so different too. Yeah, I remember. I think I remember watching it. It was funny. It was so funny. I've used the joke myself to people, and I got a genuine giggle out of them because I don't see it coming. It's a good one. I was only 14. Keep in mind, no, that's a sick one. Did you make it up yourself? Because that's a sick joke. It's a good one. All right, let me check your DM. Yes, that's all right. No, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, the one. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All good. All good. All good. Yeah. Okay. I read your message. Vidge, you have been given the secret. No, my teacher from school told me. Ah, your teacher told you from school. All right. All right. All right. Still, it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. It's looking nice. Looking good. Lynn's going to sleep. Yeah. All right. Sure. She's in a little house. I'm gonna put a few things back in the fridge. It's taking up room. That one is recycling. Is I forgot the Danish Feta. Oh, well, we've got to put some Danish Feta on this pizza. Container broke, and a piece of plastic flew off. It's just a single piece, and I heard it hit the ground. Put that on there. I would like it on my pizza. Cool. And this is all the sauce stuff, but I'm gonna pass. Cool. Do I want mushrooms on that? I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say yes. I think it'll be nice with it. Put some mushrooms on it. He saw the news and said to me, I told you not to say that on television. No, it's fine. It's fine. He's joking. For sure, he's joking. The secret formula? Yes. The secret formula to an awesome party where you have so much fun and you're like, oh my god, this is a really cool party. I'm having fun. That type of secret. All right, cool. So the pizza's pretty much done. That the salt and pepper squid one's almost done, and I can throw in whichever one I want next. I really like the look of that feta chicken, mushroom, onion, cheese, bocconcini one. That one looks real tasty. So let's grab that one out. This is the salt and pepper squid pizza. Next going in is the chicken feta one. All right, let's try a slice of this one. This one is salt and pepper squid and bocconcini. No, it was the I think it was the extra sharp Cracker Barrel. Same. All right, cool. Mm. Oh, that's so good. That's really, really good. That salt and pepper squid is really, really tasty. It's really, really nice. Okay, so let's bring it to a close and let's go through it. Ease hardly did anything. It's just getting the ingredients, sitting in there, pull out the pizza, chuck some stuff on, throw it in. It's really easy. Like other than a little bit of cutting and some cooked meat, deli edible meat, deli edible meat, mushrooms. Like everything is pretty much fine. Like you can use one knife on pretty much everything. There's no raw product. Everything is cooked. Even that salt and pepper squid comes pre-cooked. What did I get? I just got the generic from Aldi Hoffer salt and pepper squid, just generic seafood brand. But this one's actually quite nice. A little bit expensive, but quite nice. I think it was like $9 or $12 for a box, like 360 grams. But you throw this in the air fryer, delicious. It's like just that's what you want from salt and pepper squid. You get people that they'll be like, it's not the best thing I've ever eaten, but it's definitely up there in like equal number two, and that's totally acceptable. I had some salt and pepper squid at a yum cha like 2 3 weeks ago. It was terrible. Like zero, or I think I gave it a 0.5 out of 10. It was terrible. But everything else was delicious, and yeah, they were like, oh, if you give us a rating on Google Maps, we'll give you a free drink from the fridge. I was like, yeah, sure. I was like, is this your place? They're like, yeah, that's the one. 5 star. And she was 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Oh yeah, excellent. Pick whatever you want. And I was like, oh yeah, can I have one of them? Yeah, 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 sure, anything. I was like, sick. Nice. It's like a nice $10 drink too. Very nice. Um, so yeah, ease. Like I want to say just 10 because like the mushroom one was so simple. Just pull out of the packet, chop up some mushrooms out of like a paper bag, and just put it in. Stick some cheese on it and put it in. Like 10, like it's easy. 9.5 because like some form of little bit of preparation and cutting and whatnot. But I just want to give it a 10. Like this is so easy. Like you can even make it easier by wanting to have a margarita pizza. pull it out, throw it in, turn it on. You can't get easier than that. I don't think you can get. Oh, you can get easier. You just take an apple and you eat the apple. So I'm gonna give it a 10 for ease. Budget. So that pizza there will probably be less expensive than one with lots of ingredients, but still the squid is expensive. So it's got around about $3 worth of squid. Like the cheese was like $9, a couple of bits, like maybe 50, 70 cents worth of cheese. So you're looking at like $4 plus $2.50 base. You're looking at about $6, $7. $7 for a squid pizza, salt and pepper squid pizza, and it's really nice. It's like that is really really good. If you go into the city and you go to like most fanciest restaurant, you order a salt and pepper squid pizza. I reckon this can give it a run for its money. And this one you can probably buy four of the one you get in the city. So what do you want? Four pizzas or one pizza? But going out is a lovely experience, and sometimes it's nice that you don't have to do anything. Um, so there's another aspect to it in there. So but cooking from home, awesome, and it's actually really really tasty. I really like this salt and pepper squid one. So that's probably one of the more expensive ones, and it's $7. Like for me, that is a budget of 10, because like the mushrooms, you're looking at like 80 cents to $1.50 worth of mushrooms, some cheese, 70 cents, and base $2.50. So that's like what, 330 plus like another dollar, so $4.50, $5, $5, and you can make a mushroom and cheese pizza. But that for me, 10. Flavor 10. Like it's what I want. Like maybe I can give it a 9.5. I will. I'll give it a 9.5, and the reason for that is I'm sure oven baking with fire and making fresh dough would make it nicer. But your budget goes goes down. You know what I mean? So there's a bit of a balancing factor. I think the budget will go down way more than getting a point 0.5 for extra flavor. So that therefore this is really it's a winner for price. But flavor wise, it can be beaten. I think if you make your own fresh base. Speed. I mean, I had that first slice so quick, so like a couple of minutes. Um, Speed, and even if you didn't use an oven, you just stuck it in the microwave. Like you're looking at 45 seconds. So speed is 10, 9.5 if you use an oven, and then if you have to actually go and chop wood and like cut it up and then get the kindling going and you get an oven fire going and it cooks your pizza that way, like that's where like would be a little bit longer. Hi Viv. Salt and pepper squid pizza with extra sharp cheddar. It's really tasty. And a delicious beverage. So speed, I reckon it's either a 9.5 out of 10 or a 10. I'm happy to give it 10. It's so fast. Overall, oh, this is like gonna be this is the top tier one. So that would equal 39.5 divided by 40. Oh, multiplied by 100. So 98.75. This is a winner. This is an absolute winner. For like 10, 15, $20, you can pretty much feed like what, 4 to 6 friends easily, and everyone's gonna be happy. And if there's one guy just wants like two pizzas just to himself, go ahead. It just costs a total of like $6 on top of everything else. You know what I mean? Like this is solid. It's tasty too. All right, so we needed frozen Aldi 3 quantity pizza. What's it called? Cheese. It's just called cheese pizza. Stone baked cheese pizza. Frozen Aldi 3 quantity stone based cheese pizza. And that costs like what, $7.50? And then in brackets, $2.50 each. Then the first one we did was bocconcini, which is Italian for mozzarella. And to be honest with you, we need a picture of the actual correct mozzarella, because in Australia, if I say put mozzarella on it, most people are going to spend like $5 to $7.50 for a bag of processed rubber cheese. And that's not what I want put on this pizza. Mozzarella. Let's just put mozzarella space wiki. What are we going to get? This is the web page for mozzarella. There it is. Copy image just from the Wikipedia and pop it in there, because it is the definition of mozzarella. That's right. That's the good stuff. All right. And then mushrooms. And just taste and slice, thinly slice, sweet tasting mushrooms. Yep. Then I added Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheddar. Yep. Then we added salt and pepper squid. Yep. And then we added spicy salami. Then we added shaved meats. You can add anything. It could be shaved turkey, shaved chicken, shaved beef, shaved prosciutto, shaved anything. Just shaved meats. Just taste what you like and put it on. You can't go wrong if you're putting on something that you like. Okay. Mushrooms, cheese, onions. Yeah. So just thinly sliced Pac-Man disc. Thinly sliced Pac-Man disc onions. And that's it. That's all that's on it. Super easy. Cool. Also, the other thing is that we bake pizza at 180 degrees and just check it. When it looks done, taste it. If it was a bit too hard and a bit too burnt, just put it in for less the next one. Go under. Nothing here is raw. I could eat everything raw here and I would be perfectly fine. You've never tried squid on the pizza before, you would rather try pineapple. Yeah, okay. I can do pineapple because it's cooked. It changes the enzyme in it that it's different to raw pineapple. Think of it like caramelizing an onion on a frying pan. It changes it. It is different. No longer burns your eyes. It's actually just sweet. Cool. That pizza was delicious. So let's put it away for tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now the pizza's just got to cook and I'm just going to eat them. Almost there. I don't have any pineapple. But if I had pineapple or had it as a suggestion, then yeah, I'd put it on it. I'll maybe work on the Patreon page so that the stream can become interactive for request orders. I'd love to try making things that I've never made before. Alrighty, well, oh, that's gonna go in the freezer, and that can go in the fridge. And that can come. It's looking pretty good. I think I'd like a cut. So this one is chicken, feta, onions, mushrooms, onions, feta, chicken, bocconcini, extra sharp cheddar. Oh, What's this? What's that Sapporo? Yes, yes. Save left me some gifts from the weekend, some Sapporo premiums. So it's a pretty nice beverage with the pizza. Mmm. Onions make it taste so nice. Mmm. Everyone's got their own preferences, but for me, mushrooms and onions, amazing. Mushrooms, amazing. That's like my two favorite pizzas. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. So tasty. Alrighty. Well, that was Cooking with Chemistry 109 pizza. Pretty simple. And yeah, you can customize it and put whatever you like on it. Well, thanks, and I'll see you next week.